Welcome to Fulton's Beauty Lounge and Hair Restoration Center. Hello there. My name is Trichologist. I am the CEO of Fulton's Beauty Lounge and Hair Restoration Center. I have transitioned to a certified trichologist and holistic drugless practitioner. Alopecia has become an increasing epidemic amongst men, women, and children. I had to anchor myself in this space to be a support to my family, friends, community, and women abroad. I have supported several women recover from alopecia with my comprehensive customized protocol that targets the root cause of hair loss. What you are about to hear is a testimony from my beautiful client who has successfully completed my 90-day protocol and my HIP program, which is a hair loss intervention program here locally in beautiful Stonecrest, Georgia. Stay tuned. Are you ready to ring that bell after treatment?
My life has changed tremendously. For one, I could not sleep at night, and so now I can sleep all night. I have had instances where as my ankles would swell when I am on my menstrual, I no longer swells. My skin is a lot more tighter and brighter and clearer. My hair is growing. Spiritually, I'm able to make my connection to God. I'm able to pray more. I mean, it has really changed my life, and it's such an awesome experience. Not only will you come in to just get your hair done, but the scalp treatment is like none other. I mean, not just that, the relationship that I have with Trichologist is such an awesome experience, and mind you, I had no edges, and so now I have edges. Matter of fact, I even had a ponytail one time. So I am so excited, and I recommend that you take part of this program. I would recommend Trichologist because Trichologist has totally changed my life, not only with my hair, but also internally and holistically. It also inspired me to write a holistic detox book for my church. And we were able to take vitamins and supplements and able to eat more healthier, exercise, and lose a little bit of weight. So I would recommend that, and hopefully you will take part of this program because it will revolutionize your life.